Hey Prabhas fans, assemble. The teaser of Rajasaab is finally here and fans are going wild. But not everyone is celebrating because while we cheer, the haters are already at work. Yes, I'm talking about Wikipedia. Believe it or not, some people have started a campaign to delete the Rajasaab article on Wikipedia. They are saying the film is not notable enough. Do you know what does it mean? It means Prabhas is not popular. Seriously, they want to erase it, remove it, and pretend Rajasaab doesn't matter. This is not just an article, this is a battle for respect. So it's time we show them the power of fandom. Go to the Wikipedia discussion page and vote keep. That's the only way we protect this article and keep negativity in check. Now if you are new to Wikipedia, don't worry. I have made a 31-minute crash course on how it works. It's up on Udemy, simple, fast and made for fans like you. Link is in the description. Also, I have created a Telegram group for Indian Wikipedia editors. If you are passionate about Indian films, actors and pop culture and want to protect what matters, join us. We are strong together and I'm giving the Telegram link also in the description. Remember, Wikipedia is not just a website. It powers Google Knowledge Panels, helps with SEO, even boosts generative engine optimization, which means more visibility, more reach and more ticket sales for our movie. So Prabhas fans, this is our movement. Let's assemble and let's protect Rajasaab and let's show the world what this fandom is made of. Go, vote keep, join the Telegram group and Jai Prabhas.